Hello students, good morning. Once again we are meet in the today's science class. As you know, according to our syllabus, we start our chapter 3rd, that's name is synthetic fibers and plastics. You know that in this lesson we want to know about the synthetic fibers. You know, in earlier classes study about the two type categories of the fibers, that is the natural fiber and synthetic fibers. Please look here. First number, fibers. Two types, that is the natural fiber. Natural fiber, and next one synthetic fiber. Natural fiber and synthetic fiber. You know that natural fibers matter you study in the lower classes or previous classes. In this chapter we study about the synthetic fibers. Now look, there are other fibers made by man, so they are known as man-made fiber or artificial fibers. Please remember, synthetic fibers other names are man-made fiber. Man-made fibers or artificial fibers. Artificial fibers. Okay. Example, that is the rayon, nylon, polyester. Rayon, nylon and polyester. These are the example, or they are derived from the petroleum, chemicals, coal, wood also. Once again please look, we revise this short topic once again. Our this lesson is, that is the synthetic fiber and plastics. Fibers, two types, natural fiber or synthetic fiber. Natural fiber studied by us in the previous classes. In this lesson we study only synthetic fibers. Synthetic fiber are also known as man-made fiber or artificial fibers. Example, rayon, nylon, polyester, etc. Or you know, artificial fibers are made from chemicals, or these chemicals obtained from petroleum. Some chemicals also obtained from coal and wood to make synthetic fibers. Now we want to know what are synthetic fibers. So in which first topic we are studying, that is about the polymer. Our next topic, actually what are synthetic fibers? So we say they are polymers. You know that synthetic fiber are made of long chain of repeating units called polymers. In Hindi language I explain something. Polymer का मतलब होता है कि कोई ऐसा केमिकल या ऐसा सब्सटेंस जो एक सिंपल यूनिट के बार बार रिपीट होने से बनता है या लॉन्ग चेन के ज्वाइन होने से बनता है, दैट वी से पॉलीमर. मतलब कहने का क्या हुआ कि बहुत सारे जब मोनोमर्स होते हैं वो आपस में कंबाइन होकर के और पॉलीमर बनाते हैं. मोनोमर, n number of monomers combine to form, that is the polymer. ओके, मीन्स जब बहुत सारे मोनोमर्स आपस में n नंबर ऑफ मोनोमर्स ज्वाइन होंगे तो वो मिलकर के और पॉलीमर बनाएंगे. द वर्ड पॉलीमर डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम ग्रीक वर्ड poly means many or main, mer means unit or part. Please look here. Polymer, it is derived from two different words. Poly means many or mer. Mer means that is the unit or part. Unit. So or part. So this is the actual means of term polymer. Each the small unit in the polymer is known as monomer. We are taking one example that is about the polyethylene. It is a common word, but chemical name is polyethylene. We are explaining on the board actually what is the means of the ethene or polyethylene. Please look on the board. You know, in the organic chemistry, we study one chemical named ethene. Or ethene formula, that is the CH2 double bond CH2. This is the actually ethene. When n number of ethene join together, then they will form CH single bond CH, or in this manner, then this is the ethene, that is monomer, or this side that is the polyethylene, that is the polymer. So this is the best example of monomer and polymer. Once again please look. We explain the difference in monomer and polymer by taking an example of ethene. Formula CH2 double bond CH2. When n number of ethene, that is monomer, combine, they will form the polymer, that is the polyethylene, or it is actually the completed during the process of polymerization. Polymerization is the process in which a number of monomer combine from each other to form the polymer. Example, ethene is the monomer, or polyethylene is the example of polymer. So this matter I know that you will be easily understood. The monomer combine by the process of polymerization to form polymers. Polymers which are used to manufacture synthetic fiber, or please remember this is what, sir? Synthetic fiber. Synthetic fiber. So some process, please look now. Polymerization is the process in which a large number of monomers combine to form the polymers. They are made in laboratories or in the factories. Some polymers available in nature also, they are natural polymers. Cotton is made up of polymer name that is cellulose. Okay, thank you very much. We will meet in the next class now.